Good morning. It is checkout day. We're checking out of Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, and I'm watching the Savannah right now, and all of the animals are out. There's wildebeest. I don't know what these are. They look like deer though. They're a little far. The zebras are like running around, and I'm just sitting on the balcony. It's not the last day for Walt Disney World. We're just moving over to a new resort, so I'm a little sad to be checking out of here, but I'm really happy to be in the Epcot area. By the title of this video, you probably know already that we're heading over to the boardwalk. This is gonna be my first time staying at the boardwalk as well. So this is my first time staying here at Animal Kingdom Lodge, and I like this hotel. It's a really nice hotel. Would I stay here again? I don't know, because right now my park days, like my visits are really park heavy still. So I look so tired. I am actually very, very exhausted, and I put these lashes on last night, so they're a little like my eyelids are like weighing down, so sorry if my eyes are just almost closed. But yeah, I don't know if I would stay here again because it's a little far from everything that I like to do, but I do like this experience. Like, I think that if you don't have a lot of park days, this is such a great hotel to stay at, to like really be in the room. And like, we're eating our breakfast on the patio, and I'm drinking my coffee right now out of my resort mug, so like it's just really, really nice. Since we are checking into a new hotel, we actually get another water park day. So we're actually going to head to Typhoon Lagoon. We're going to check out, leave our bags with Bell Services. They're going to transfer all of our stuff over to the boardwalk. So I'm going to take advantage of that so that we don't have to head over there and do all of that. We can just go straight to Typhoon Lagoon. So that's something that if you're doing like a split stay, to note that you don't have to like take your luggage with you or call an Uber. They will do it for you. So we're going to do that. I'm going to eat some breakfast. Oh my goodness, this is just so, I would show you guys, but like there's so many trees where they are right now, like you can't really see them through the camera, but they're just so active this morning. What a great way to end our stay here. Sorry, I'm also like dripped in sweat. It's so humid out here. But yeah, so I'm going to get us together. I'm actually going to show you guys a quick room tour before we leave because I did not film it when we got here. So I'm going to show you guys that really quickly before we check out. And then we're going to head over to Typhoon Lagoon. Okay, I'm going to do like a really quick rapid fire room tour. It was lived in, so I apologize for the mess, but let's go ahead and show you. When you first walk in, there's this hallway. This gives you an idea of like how big it is. This is a lock off, so there is a door to the next room, and then you have this full-sized mirror. Then you come over here. Here is the kitchenette where you have the microwave, the ice bucket, sink with dish soap. You have a toaster. You also have a coffee maker, and this is a fridge, so it's not a beverage cooler, so you can put some milk and stuff in there. And on this side, this is the bathroom, so you have two sinks, one gigantic mirror. Now the only thing is the lighting is really bad in here. Like, it was very difficult to do makeup because really bad lighting. But you have another full-sized mirror, and then you also have the shower here. Just a standard shower. Pressure was okay. What else? I forgot this. And then you go this way. And then when you're in a DVC room, you only get one queen bed, and then you get a pull-out sofa. So they are renovating it, and I'm pretty sure they're going to put a Murphy bed in here pretty soon. So that is going to be really, really nice because the pull-out bed is not that comfortable. Then you have one closet here, which doesn't have a lot of space, but you do have like this little nook area right here, which is pretty good. Then you have some extra drawers and dressers for your stuff. And then the welcome Purdy Smith party. This is the pull-out sofa. All this space was actually really nice though to have, so that when we were unpacking and packing, I was able to put the pull-out sofa away. Really, really nice. Those two little tables right there, they're separate, so they're not together. So you could put like one here and then have one over there, but that was really nice. Then you also have a table with two chairs, which I feel like this takes up a lot of space. I don't know what they're going to do with this, but maybe they'll do what they have at like Port Orleans, where they have like the pull down bed here. That would be nice. Also another mirror, so there's a lot of mirrors. And then you have your lamp here. There's a lot of outlets. So you have the outlets here, and then you also have two sets right here. So that's really nice. And then you also have the gorgeous Savannah view. So, so nice. Okay, so that was the quick room tour. This room is going to look a lot different the next time I come here because they're going to start the refurbishments in a few months. Very excited to see what it looks like. I haven't looked at the concept art, so very excited to see what they are going to be doing with it. It does need a little bit of an update, but it's not too bad. Like, it wasn't like Bay Lake Tower, so I really like that. However, I'm actually going to switch over to my phone for Typhoon Lagoon, so I don't know what the rest of this vlog in terms of the Typhoon Lagoon section will look like because I'm going to put my phone in the water bag, but the Bell Services is coming up to come get our gigantic luggage cart, and then they're gonna take it to Boardwalk for us so we don't have to do anything. I'm very grateful for that. And then we're just gonna head over to Typhoon Lagoon. All right, we are checking in. I don't know if you guys can hear, so I'm going to talk really loud. But we are in the lazy river at Typhoon Lagoon, and it's actually been really nice. Like, the weather is pretty good. There's not any sun, so it's not like hot, but it's very humid. So I'm actually very excited. I haven't been to a water park in a very long time. So we are going to go get on some of the body slides, and then we'll probably go get on like some of the ones that we can all ride together, and then grab something to eat, and then we'll head out after that. But we lost my mom. Did you find her? Oh, she's coming along. Oh, but yeah, so we're gonna go on some rides and then enjoy the lazy river.
Yes, and the wave pool.
Oh yeah, we have to do at least.
If we hope we don't drown.
The
waves are really big. Like,
yeah, Typhoon Lagoon has the biggest wave pool in the United States. So very excited to try that out. So hopefully I don't drown, but we won't drown because we can swim. But
I'm a swimming pro.
Yeah, we can swim.
But the waves were big. Like, looked like you could surf them.
They were huge.
Like, I think you can. Starting to like curl in.
Yeah, I think you can surf them.
Wow.
Yeah. Taking a break, and we ordered a quick service. So we got the pork elote nachos, and I also got a pink paloma. These nachos are absolutely humongous, so I'm gonna let you guys know how they taste in a minute. What do you guys think of the nachos?
Well, not my best, like my favorite nachos ever, but it'll do.
Well, so number one, it's deceiving because there's more chips than the other foods. So you get this much chips and this much of the
mushroom. This is also $8, and it's really small for $8, but it's really good, and that's the reason I got it.
Then the fixing.
How's yours?
So you get more chips than the fixings, but this is good. This is a PT lemonade.
And then I got the pink paloma, but I forgot there's grapefruit in it, and I'm not a huge grapefruit fan. So, cheers. Would not get this again. No. All right, we got the infamous donuts that everyone raves about. It costs $1.80 for the sauce, which is crazy work.
They're good. They're nice, they're light, they're not heavy. I'm a donut connoisseur. My favorite donut is the old-fashioned glaze, and sometimes I just get the plain donut, but this donut is really nice. It's light, it's not heavy, it's not over sugared. It has some powdered sugar on it, but it's delicious. I don't usually eat my donuts with like flavors and stuff, but Amana got chocolate, so I'm gonna dip a little bit of this into the chocolate and taste it. Here goes everything. The chocolate's okay. Tastes like a little alcohol in there. You probably put alcohol in the chocolate. You know, to make it, but not, you know, not the chocolate. You know what I mean. But anyway, this is really good. It's delicious. I like it.